So I want to return to our band, TMTS, that was up here earlier, and I want to ask Scott Reithman of the band, our leader of the band, to join me on the stage, along with the MobBase co-founder, Alan Kafkin. Hi, Scott. Good job this morning.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Hi, Alan. Okay. TMTS is using technology from MobBase to build an HTML5 app for their band and get their name and selves out there promoted. So why don't you guys show us what you're doing?
Great. Definitely.
Thanks.
So my co-founder and I were both musicians, and we set out to solve a problem that we faced: how to engage fans in a way that creates the deep and lasting connections that builds audiences and enables musicians to profit from their works. Well, that was back in 2007, and we built a number of tools for musicians since then, and then something amazing happened. Apple launched its App Store and created a revolutionary new way for artists to engage with fans on mobile devices. We quickly saw how powerful this was for artists and set out to build a way that they can create their own mobile apps in an easy fashion and an inexpensive fashion.
So you built an app.
So we built not an app, but an app building platform that they could use to build their own apps without needing to know how to code.
In the App Store? Did you list it in the App Store?
So we first launched it for iOS and put them in the App Stores. Then we launched it for Android. And then a couple of months ago, we launched an HTML5 version of the MobBase app.
So why'd you do that?
Well, this allows artists to build just one app that connects with fans on all smartphones and tablets, and takes away the pains of submitting apps to specific app stores and dealing with the restrictions that they may have or the requirements and all that stuff that just slows down the process and prevents more people from engaging with content.
Okay, you want to show us what it does?
Absolutely. So MobBase apps are built using an easy-to-use web-based dashboard that lets artists add, manage, and update content in real time. So first, after you create a free account and log in, you come to your home screen page. As I said, you don't need to know how to program to build an app because most musicians have no idea how to do that.
Okay.
So the first thing you'll do is you'll select a layout for your app. After you do that, you'll upload a background image for your home screen. Then you'll decide what features you want to include and where they will go in the app. And that's as simple as dragging and dropping the features, and you could have music, videos, photos, tweets, and a lot more.
I see a very exciting app up there.
Yes, this is the management committee member app for Intel.
We're going to submit our song.
This is a 30-piece all-star band of the Intel executives for you to enjoy.
Okay.
After you drag and drop your features, you can upload images to be home screen buttons so that your app can have a unique look and feel. We don't want this to feel like cookie cutter or template apps, and this is really how you would achieve that.
All right.
So this is what the app interface looks like for the MCM app. Once you've decided on your interface, you can then add content. So you can go to the discography tab, and you could add your album data, your purchase links, your music, your lyrics. You can then go and add photos, videos, and Twitter accounts so that people can follow you and you can communicate with them, and you can actually add the Twitter accounts of every Intel exec if you like.
Okay.
Once you've added all your content and you're ready to launch, you'll hit update or submit, and you'll go to the checklist page. And this will tell you if your app is ready to go, if you've cleared all the problem areas. This app is ready to go, so we will launch it. And in a couple of hours, the app will be available for fans to enjoy using HTML5. It's really that simple.
Wow. Okay, so even Scott can do it?
Even Scott can do it.
Even Scott, as leader of band, you want to show us what you've created?
Sure, yeah. So this is the TMTS app that we developed with MobBase a few years ago, actually. When we started, I'll start playing a song from within this app. When we started, mobile wasn't really a part of the equation, and then more and more, it's exactly how we should be connecting with our fans and aggregating all of our different social media in one place. So we can do photo, we can do video, we can see what I'm saying on Twitter, you can read about our blog. Everything is contained under one roof, essentially. And with the HTML5, it just gives us more and more accessibility for people to reach the music.
And to hear you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Scott. Thanks for playing for us this morning.
Pleasure.
Thanks, Alan.
Thank you, Renee.